Hi, so just a few tips in relation to the upcoming SQE2 exams. If you are sitting first sit or second sit, then your oral assessments will come first. If you're sitting third sit or fourth sit, your written assessments come first. But let's deal with oral to get started. I thought I'd just start with advocacy and just give you a few tips in relation to the upcoming advocacy exams. Remember, first and foremost, that you are only tested on criminal and on dispute resolution. So what would my advice be? Well, firstly, remember that you do have, roughly speaking, 45 minutes when you get into the assessment to prep for your 10 to 15 minute advocacy assessment. Also remember that it is an advocacy assessment, which generally means that you are being in front of a judge. You are in front of a judge giving your various application, whatever that might be. So do remember that. The second thing, of course, is that for criminal law, it's likely to be a bail application, plea and mitigation, that kind of thing. For dispute resolution, it's likely to be an injunction, summary judgment, default judgment. So my best advice really is go in there armed with a template that you might have memorized. All of these things have a structure, a legal framework. For example, if you're going to do a bail application, it comes under the Bail Act, and you're asking your judge, certainly if you're the defense solicitor, to keep your client out of prison, out of remand while they are awaiting their trial, as it were. So therefore, follow the framework. Same goes for dispute resolution. And again, learn your framework, learn your legal tests for injunctions, for summary judgments, default judgments, set aside judgments. So go in there as prepared as you possibly can be. That 45 minutes preparation is really thinking time, just to make sure that you've got all of that in order. So if that's your first assessment, good luck with that one.